Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Dalufio Vacuum Sealer, a powerful and versatile addition to your kitchen. This product is quickly becoming known as the best buy in cordless vacuum sealers, and for good reason. Let's explore why this vacuum sealer is a must-have for anyone looking to preserve food effectively and conveniently. First off, let's talk about its impressive suction power. The Dalufio Vacuum Sealer features an 80 kPa suction capability, making it highly efficient at sealing a variety of foods. With a robust 120-watt motor, this device allows for up to 50 continuous seals, ensuring that your food remains fresh for much longer, up to 8 times longer than traditional storage methods. This means less waste and more savings for you, which is a win-win. Now, one of the standout features of this vacuum sealer is its 6-in-1 modes. Whether you're sealing dry or wet foods, using the pulse function for delicate items, or sealing jars and canisters with the external vac option, this vacuum sealer has got you covered. The dedicated seal-only mode allows you to quickly seal bags without vacuuming, providing you with ultimate flexibility. And, for those of you who appreciate a little extra help in the kitchen, the intelligent voice reminder will guide you through the sealing process seamlessly. The design of the Dalufio Vacuum Sealer is compact and sleek, measuring just 14.56 inches by 4 inches by 2.36 inches. This means it won't take up much space on your countertop, making it ideal for kitchens of all sizes. It also boasts an 11.8-inch maximum sealing length, accommodating various bag sizes for different food items. The 5mm heat seal strip width ensures a reliable seal every time, giving you peace of mind that your food is safely preserved. Cleaning up is a breeze as well, thanks to the ABS material used in its construction, which is easy to wipe down after use. Plus, the vacuum sealer comes with a starter kit that includes 20 heat seal bags of different sizes, an external air suction hose, and a user manual, so you have everything you need to get started right out of the box. Another significant advantage of the Dalufio Vacuum Sealer is its 1-year warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee. The company stands behind its product, offering lifetime technical support for any issues you may encounter. This commitment to customer satisfaction makes it a reliable choice for anyone looking to invest in a vacuum sealer. In summary, the Dalufio Vacuum Sealer combines power, versatility, and user-friendly design to create an excellent product for preserving your food. Whether you're meal prepping, storing leftovers, or saving seasonal fruits and vegetables, this vacuum sealer is designed to meet your needs efficiently. So, if you're looking for the best buy in cordless vacuum sealers, look no further than the Dalufio Vacuum Sealer. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful reviews. Let us know in the comments what products you'd like us to review next, and we'll see you in the next video.